Hello, happy Monday. All right. We are live. Yes. Happy Monday. Welcome to the replay. If you are watching the replay or if you are on live, welcome. Thank you for being here. I've got my coffee going. I wanted to call these lives on Monday, Matcha Mondays or something fancy like that, but I'm drinking coffee, so that'll have to do for today. My name is Marissa. I am a brand coach and website strategist, and I am one half of the Meraki Collective, where we create websites for coaches, consultants, and service providers. Again, thank you for being here. So I'm going to try something a little bit fancy on Instagram Live today, and I want to talk to you about something that I know for a fact, no matter if you're new to business, if you've been in business forever, whatever, if you're creative, not creative, whatever the case may be, I want to talk about the fear of putting yourself out there. And like I said, I know that we've all felt that. So let's have a little conversation about it and see what we can maybe look at it at a different angle and see what comes up. So the fear of putting yourself out there. What happens when you're scared to share that post, to go live, to share that thought, to talk to somebody about something that you care about, to share your gift or your passion, whatever it is that you do? Hi, Nicole. What happens? You hold back. When you are scared of putting yourself, or you have that fear, same thing, right? Of putting yourself out there because of somebody else's judgment or what somebody else will think, you hold back. So what are the choices? What are the choices? We're going to get into that in a second. So what happens if we begin to ask ourselves, what if people don't like me or what I share? And therefore we get stuck and we're like, oh crap, I can't share it because what if somebody doesn't like me? What if they don't like the message that I'm sharing? So we get stuck. We hold back. Hi, Davin. Thank you. And so this is where we have to make a choice. Here's the thing. It's guaranteed that there is going to be somebody out there that isn't going to like you, that isn't going to like the message that you're sharing or the thing that you're doing. And that's okay. Because you're doing your thing, they're doing their thing. So once you accept that there is going to be people out there, that there are going to be people out there that don't like what you do, that don't resonate with your message, that's okay, okay? Now we know that. What's the next step? It's a beautiful thing because you get to pick what you focus on. If you focus on that thing, that person that doesn't like you or may not like you, or that judgment of others, then you stay stuck. If you focus on those people that do want to hear from you, those people that you're serving, that you're helping, that need what you have to offer, then you're going to do your thing and you're going to keep showing up for those people. So I'm going to see how I can end this thing, these fancy little slides, and get back. Here we go. So I want to share a personal story. So I have a newsletter. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Send me a message and I'll get you on there. So I, email my list. And a while back, I got a message from somebody that was kind of snarky about helpful tips that I was sending out. And, just some like weird, rude, like I said, snarky comment. And it rubbed me the wrong way. And I was like, what are they talking about? I'm over here providing helpful information and you don't want that? And here's the thing. On that same day, somebody else had also emailed me to say thank you for the information that I was providing. And they said, like, this is amazing. I don't know what I would have done without this information. It was just an amazing, amazing email. And I was focused on the negative one. So I had a choice, right? I had a choice. Which one was I going to focus on? And for like 2.5 seconds, I'm not going to lie, I focused on the negative one. And then I was like, wait a second, I get to decide. I have the control over what I focus on. And so I decided to focus on the person that I was able to help, and even tried to think of ways, how can I help further? So that's what I wanted to share today is this fear that we have, the fear of putting ourselves out there. What does it do? It makes us hold back because we think, what if people don't like me? And what if they don't like what I have to share? But like I said, we get to decide what we focus on. So Davin says, I would focus on that bad one all day for sure. It is so hard. It is very hard. And yeah, I did, like I said, for a little bit. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to shake it off, drop my mic, and keep going because that's what you got to do. And so hopefully this helps you put yourself out there. Keep sharing your thing. Keep serving your people, your tribe, your audience. You can't stop because of what a couple people might think about you, because honestly, it's up to you. You get to pick. So like I mentioned, I am going to be going live. Actually, I don't even know if I mentioned it. I'm going to be going live Mondays and Thursdays here on Instagram. I'm thinking about keeping Mondays, like I said, that little like matcha Monday, so we can have these type of conversations, although today is coffee. And on Thursdays, I plan to review or go through any frequently asked questions. So Q&A Thursday, something like that. So if you have a question, send me a DM, or you can email me and a question regarding branding or websites or social media or anything like that. I would love to cover it. Stay in your lane. What other people think of you is none of your business. Yes. Say it louder for the people in the back. That is so true. My life coach, hi Anandi, my life coach told me that one time. She said, what other people, exactly what you just said, what other people think of you is none of your business. That is an amazing way to wrap this up. That is so true and so powerful. Thank you so much for being here. If you tuned in live, if you are watching the replay, thank you for being here. I would love to hear from you. Let me know what other topics you would like me to cover. Thursdays on Instagram, Q&A. Let me know if there are any questions that I can answer for you. Thanks, guys. Have a fantastic Monday. Bye.